Hello guys, good afternoon. Isang mali na naman sa excavation safety. Make sure yung mga equipment is malayo sa excavation area para hindi po siya mahulog. Makita nyo naman po ang pagkakamali ng supervisor or ng isang foreman dyan. Okay guys, make sure yung mga excavation nyo is mga lupa ay malayo sa excavation area like 2 feet away from the excavated area. Maraming salamat po, and make sure all the people have trainings and everything. Thank you very much. And make sure guys na yung mga tao ay may alam sa emergency response plan or procedure nyo in case na may mangyari during this type of work. Maraming salamat guys, and make sure everybody is safe during excavation. Thank you and more power. If you like the videos, click like, comment and share, and follow me on my page. Thank you for watching guys.